Hey, what's going on, Nelson?
How's it going? Yeah, so gonna look into that a little more. Because I see yeah. I'm seeing some like used one. I'm seeing some used sort of things on Marketplace. I mean, if I can just find the right person that already has something, or that can wire the board for free and deliver it. Alright, take it easy. How's the day going?
It's going all right. It's the beginning, so I got
Okay.
11 and a half more hours.
Okay, the night shift.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, just lost time because of the hurricane, so I'm like, oh, I'll just work an extra 4 hours a day. Why not?
Sure.
What's the suicide door for?
Not a suicide door, a suicide cord.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like technically a generator cord that's modified. So one end is a male 4-prong and the other end is a male 3-prong. So it's very dangerous because each end could be, But I'm trying to backfeed my generator to my welding, my parents' welding cord, so they can have power in their house. Not power, but at least a couple lights and air conditioning.
Is it out right now?
Yeah.
Where at?
Where we're going.
Really?
Oh yeah, you'll see.
Yeah, I live right here on this road.
Yep.
And 1960s houses, nothing happened. It was just windy.
Yep.
Went to get smokes the next day at this gas station. I just thought, okay, well, we're good.
Yep.
And then this light was out, shit's all torn apart, trees are down. Most of what you see, the lights were, there was no power.
Yep.
And I was like, damn, okay, I guess I just got lucky. I mean, I was out of power for a couple hours, but
Sure.
nothing that a few, vodka diets couldn't solve.
Sure. Right. Yeah, I wasn't able to find what I'm looking for there, so I'm kind of searching around Marketplace, seeing if I can maybe find someone that I can tell by what they have for sale has a little electrical experience. You can maybe either make me one or has one, and they'll pay them an extra $20 or something to drop it off. I don't know.
They did that to a Genesis. That was good.
Yeah. I didn't think that was a Genesis. No, I couldn't.
I believe that's a G90.
Yeah.
Something that I go through these phases, and I'm in the phase now, but I don't know if I want to get like nice or more expensive vehicles anymore, because like this, I got this for $2,500. If I've already put 45,000 miles, if this thing dies, dude, I'm gonna cash it in smiling. You know, I mean, I do not like small cars. This is too small for me.
Yeah.
I like big Cadillacs, Jeeps, things like that.
This works out good though.
It
It's
works
reliable because it's a standard. Like this is probably a really good bang for your buck. All these cars are totaled.
Really?
These cars are getting towed away. Up the C3s or whatever those really were bad. I've seen flatbeds, tow trucks just pulling car after car out of here. My dad's truck is a 2019 F250.
What, damage?
Yeah.
Is this all flooding damage?
Yeah. This whole place.
Holy shit, these people flooded.
Yes, everybody flooded in here.
It doesn't look like it's low.
And all the water receded. It's close to the water and it just pushed in and then sunk back out. Yeah.
Wow, so they got a storm surge.
Yeah. Yeah, they had
Holy
15
shit.
foot storm surge.
15 foot.
Yeah. I mean, my parents are 8 feet above water. They
Wait, so the cars got totaled because of the water?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Wow, dude, this looks like a garage sale of all garbage.
Yeah, everyone's emptying out all their furniture from their houses.
Damn, dude, this is a lot.
Yeah, I flew down here to come help my parents because it's just, I didn't know what else to do. I said, I'll be down tomorrow. I got on the plane.
Oh, so they're one of the affected.
Yeah.
Oh, we're right here.
Yeah, so I'm just trying to help them out.
Damn, dude, this is sad. I haven't seen this before.
Yeah, I haven't either.
I've been here 30 years. I haven't seen this before.
This part's never flooded before, apparently.
And it's just everybody.
It's everybody. It is everything.
Look at all this stuff, though. There's got to be some good stuff here.
It's all got this sewage.
Is this it here?
It's class 3 flood water where there's sewage.
Is this here?
Yeah. There's sewage, there's everything.
Damn, dude.
Yeah.
Sorry to hear. I'm glad you're good helping
sorry.
them.
Yeah, I'm just here to do what I can.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right, man. You're welcome.
Have a good one.
Wow, dude. I'm gonna take a tour. Wow. This is sad, man. All these houses flooded, huh? You're telling me that water rose so much that it killed these houses? Damn, dude. You're telling me that stuff's not still good? Tell me that's not still good? Oh, they're getting rid of it for the insurance. How, dude? This is really nice stuff. I want to see. It doesn't look bad. It looks great. I mean, I'm tempted.